Moodle gradebook categories are used to organize grades in the Moodle gradebook. They can also be used to perform advanced calculations in the Moodle gradebook using weights. Log into Moodle and go to the course that you would like to work with. To create categories, in the Settings block, click Grades. Once you are in your gradebook, click the Categories and Items tab along the top of your gradebook screen. Here we will create categories and organize our items according to the categories that they belong in. In this example, we are going to separate our activities out according to assignments, projects, and participation. To add a new category, at the bottom of the screen, click the Add Category button. At the top in the Grade Category block, type the name of the category that you'd like to add. Change the aggregation to the type of aggregation you will be using for that specific category. My categories will all be a mean of grades. Click Save Changes. The category is now listed within your grade item block. Click Add Category to add more categories to your grade window. Once you have added all of your categories, you can now move your items into the categories that you have created. The first thing I'm going to move are my assignments, and I will move those into the assignments category. To do so, I am going to click on the checkbox to the right of the activity name for all of the activities that I would like to add to a category. Once I have selected those activities, at the bottom of the screen in the Move Selected Items to drop-down box, I will choose the category that I would like those items to move to. In this case, these items belong in the Assignments category. When I select the Assignments category, it will then move those checked activities into the correct category. You can do that with your other activities as well. Once all of your activities are organized into the correct categories, click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen to save any of the changes that you've made in the Categories and Items tab. Activities can also be moved into the correct category through the activity settings. You can get to the activity settings in one of two ways. You can turn editing on and click the update icon, or you can go into the activity itself and in the Activity Settings block, click Edit Settings. In the Activity Settings screen, close to the bottom in the Grade block, you can select the category that that activity needs to be placed in. Once you have saved that activity, it will then appear in the correct location in the gradebook. Activities can also be added to the correct category upon creation of that activity. Simply go to the grade block and select the correct category for that activity, provided those categories are already made. Once that activity is created, it will then appear in the correct category, in this case the Assignments category, in your gradebook and your Categories and Items tab. If you have any questions or any tips to share, please email me at holly.england@tstc.edu.